Hi guys, today I've got this easy curly low chignon hairstyle. To start, I'm just going to curl the hair using my straighteners. This doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure that you curl in lots of different directions. Now once you've got all the hair curled, we're just going to separate those curls in half on top of the head and just give them a little bit of a spray with some hairspray, just to give it a little bit more texture. Now, taking the hair from behind the left ear, we're going to leave a few strands out to frame the face, and I'm just going to sweep this hair back around to the middle of the head. Then, starting in that bottom left hand corner, I'm just going to put a row of bobby pins going diagonally up to the right hand ear. When you place your bobby pins, make sure you crisscross them. This will stop them from slipping out. So carry on sweeping the hair over towards the right hand side, placing your bobby pins, angling it diagonally upwards. And then that last pin, you want to pop it in going in the opposite direction to lock everything in place. Leave some hair out on the opposite side, and starting on the right hand side, I'm going to take about a third of the hair, and all I'm going to do is roll this towards that line of bobby pins. Hold it in place, and then we're going to slip a bobby pin through the centre of that little roll, making sure that we catch those bobby pins below to make it nice and secure. Now start sweeping the rest of the hair to the bottom left hand side and kind of twisting it as you go. When you get to the bottom left hand side, add an elastic band to the bottom of the hair, and on the last turn don't pull the hair all the way through, that way you'll have a little loop. Now tuck this little loop underneath the roll of hair, and we're going to bobby pin everything to that line of bobby pins underneath. So to do this, I use a closed bobby pin. I pop it in facing towards me, then I rotate it in the opposite direction and push it through the centre of that little twist. Next, apply some texture spray all over that curly chignon. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then pinch and pull just to give a bit more texture. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.